For Your Money is brought to you by NelsonCorp Wealth Management.
It's now time for Your Money. We're joined by David Nelson, CEO of NelsonCorp Wealth Management. Welcome back, David.
Thanks, Brady, for the invite. Appreciate it.
So there's been a lot of movement in markets lately, especially in currencies and interest rates. What are you seeing?
Yeah, all this really exciting stuff, but it really does matter. And one of the more interesting things right now that we're seeing is what many people are calling the Sell America trade. And historically, when interest rates rise, like we've seen as far as in the 10-year bond, it pulls the dollar higher, and higher yields attract more global investors. But lately what we're seeing is just the exact opposite. And it's clearly shown as far as on this week's chart. And what we see here is that the red line is the yields, and the blue line is looking at the dollar. And you can see there that there's quite a gap just at current times as far as on the far right as far as the chart here. And so some investors see this as a sign that global capital may be rotating out of the U.S. and maybe into other more attractive markets right now. Others are concerned that the dollar is losing some of its global reserve status. But it could be just a short-term adjustment and really not anything that people should be concerned about. But time will tell as far as how this thing unfolds.
Okay, so what does that mean for investors going forward?
Well, I certainly wouldn't, if I'm the folks out there listening right now, I wouldn't make any big changes as far as based on this one chart. But it is eye-opening, to say the very least. If you kind of glance at that chart at any period of time, it's a very rare event. So we tell people stay diversified and certainly stay nimble during periods of time like now.
All right, some great advice as always. Thanks, David.
Thank you.
If you missed any of our discussion, we'll make it available for you on ourquadcities.com.